All right, I'm going to show you the file numbering in the Canon 5D Mark II. So we're going to go ahead and open up the menu. We're going to go to, I think, the fourth page. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there we go. And if you look down here, it says file numbering continuous. That's what I have set. So I'm going to navigate now down this way. I've navigated to the pages here. So let's navigate down. Now I'm in file numbering, and boom. Now if you want, you can auto reset this or you can manual reset. But I just leave it on continuous, and it just keeps on numbering them in a linear fashion, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think that's the best way. And that way, you know, when you upload them into your computer, you're not going to have problems. So what I've done here is I've opened up some photos from surfing, and you can see these are the file numbers, and they're in, you know, a certain order. And if you have two photos that have the same file number but they're different photos, the computer just recognizes this number, and it'll say you have a duplicate, or it won't upload it. It'll tell you, it'll ask you if you want to upload it anyway. So you want to keep a continuous flow, I think, on your file numbers so that you don't have doubles and then they're different photos but have the same file number. So that's something to think about when you're shooting and you're setting up your menu for file numbering on your Canon. So I'm just going to leave it on continuous, and basically that's how you do your file numbering. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.